Link Canada is a branch of Link that focuses on serving the unique needs of the vocational truck market. Our welding shop is set up in a production line environment, adhering to industry best practices, and our experienced team has worked with customers all over the world to build custom products for diverse industry applications. Link Canada was originally founded as Radan Manufacturing in 1992 by my father and uncle, who spent their lives entrenched in the heavy trucking industry, which catered to the North American oil and gas industries. Our mission is to provide great products, superior service and support, outstanding product quality, and consistent on-time delivery to every customer. Our primary products are specialty suspensions for the heavy vocational truck and trailer industries, which include fire rescue, mobile crane, and defense. Through that, we've developed exceptional operational and manufacturing expertise and efficiencies, which we are eager to share through our contract manufacturing offerings. We are CORE certified. We are ISO 9001 certified. We have our controlled goods certification, which allows us to supply certain products to the defense industries. We are ISO 14001 compliant and CWB certified. The majority of our welders are Red Seal journeymen. We have robust engineering, design, and manufacturing capabilities. Here at our Nisku, Alberta location, we have 3 engineers on staff and over 40 more within our US locations who we utilize on all of our projects. We have access to Link's Applied Technology Center, which facilitates development of new products and testing of the durability and performance of all Link products. By partnering with our US locations, we have the equipment, expertise, and capabilities to tackle any project. Our employees are committed to following production standards to produce products that Link is proud to put its name on. Reliability is standard at Link, and quality is our mission. We pledge to provide high-quality products for every customer, every time. At Link, we're driven to outperform.